Hello and welcome to today's Words of the Day. It is Sunday, February 19th, and we are going to talk about saute, slice, whisk, and al dente. A cool little fact in English, and you're going to notice this today, a lot of our cooking words have come from French. To be honest, a lot of our vocabulary is from French. And we're going to start off today talking about the French word saute. Little tip, when we write it, we don't always put the accent mark over the E, but you can. It means to fry something quickly in fat. In our sentence, it's best to saute vegetables before putting them inside your omelet. Go ahead and repeat the word. Great job. Next up is slice, a piece of pie or pizza. And by the way, pizza is technically a pie. So hey, let me get a slice of that key lime pie. Little cool fact, key lime pie was invented in Florida, the state that I am from. Now, after slice, we have whisk. It means stir, to mix in air and combine. And our sentence says, whisk the eggs and milk together, keeping the heat on low. Go ahead and say the word. Whisking is something you're going to do when you make eggs, for example, or any kind of cake or brownies as well. Finally is al dente, cooked to be slightly tough. Traditionally, spaghetti should be cooked al dente, otherwise it will be too soft. Al dente pasta is the most common use of this word. It's not so common with other foods, but it's possible. Anyway, thank you all for joining me. Remember to subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.